Welcome to clickmeproject.com. Let us see the title of the project: Optimization Tour Package in Smartphone Application. The tour packages we have using to what are the default function for the tourism management in the travel desk to publish the tour packages system. In our system we have made to the default system, and also user designed the package of the system to the travels. So it will be help of the travels with the integrated verify to the packages for the user level management system. We have adapting to the tour system. It will be booking for only for adapting to the our feasibility of the travels agency only. Now we have introduced to the Android application to the customers prepared to the package for our system. Then the travelers we have combining to the lot of the system and the costing everything. The separate work we have using to easily processing to the travel system for the many user. The travels we have generating to the 3 packages for default functions. The 3 packages contain the symbol of the golden and silver packages, platinum packages. 3 packages contain some of the information to the details. This detail will be one of the travel agency issued to that one. In our system, the tourism management, we have integrated to the user packages. So user enter the logins, we create the packages for step-by-step level. First of all, we have adapting to the level of the tourism source and destination route, and the feasibility of the footing details, and for the car or visiting details, car, flight or train mode or bike mode, which mode you have selected. So travel details and the footing details and the transported details. So the 3 packages including to the everything details of the user level. So user fixed the date and also number of the person, everything we have the user fixed the packages. So the packages will be forward to the admin and admin to get the result of the status. So the customers we have the packaging adapting to the travel agency, we have providing some information to the approval and the need and any reasons to posting to the client. The customer receiving the approval status, it will be okay for he have go to the booking for the tickets. This package system not booking to anything. So we have creating to the package sufficient for the tours planning. This system we have using for a customer to package the setting. We have adapting to the what are the cost basis, what are the transportation basis. We have traveling to the travels agency. So that the travel people we have identification to the customer relations, customer expectations for easily member to transfer the result. Let us see the flow of the diagram. This is the admin. We have importing the package details. This package details we have silver, premium, gold. It will be packaging inbuilt for the travels. Each and every packages we have displayed to the automatically. User no need to the fill, easily buying to the option for the package store. The user we have the registration packages. There are user creating to the packages. So the user creating the packages, and the package level we have containing the transportation and the fooding detail and the visiting mode. But then we have the adapting cost also. These packages will be contained. These packages contain to the registration. After the registration process, the user record to the admin. So the admin we have checking to the packages result. See, it will be adapting for our system admin. We have requesting to the approval information. This approval information easily identification to the user easily. So each and every process we have adapting to the client and server basis. So the admin we have requesting approval if they are needed something, so we have providing to the user. So the user and customer relationship easily identification, and also the admin we have the expectation of the user, we have easily identification to the travels agencies. This process we have helping for using to Android application. Let us see the demo of the project. Homepage of the tours and package system. The tour packages we have the front the tour packages and the generate the packages. Tour packages is generated to the 3 packages for the admin. We have a default one. We have checking to the golden packages. If you like the golden packages, you buy to the details of this. So username and the phone number and the location we have adapting. So checking the username, this is the name and the phone number and the location for the user. You just acceptation, you need the confirmation status we have receiving. So here thank you for booking the booking. We will update the resumes on the early. So each and every packages contained to the system, so easily to receiving the booking for the golden packages. It will be the previous for the existing systems. So we have generating the new package system for the customer. So generating the package systems, we have the username and the login forms. So first of all, the registration procedure. So registration, the username and the age and the email we have providing. If the register process, we have the backend storaging for the WAMP server. The WAMP server getting the username and the password details everything. So I will already register the name of the user is the Sarah and the register the password. I click to the login page. I click the login. It's contain the user package and the package status. So approaching status, it will be entering the username. It will be the frame of the user login. Enter the usage package first. The information will be traveling on user transfer travel information, the source and destination, the number of days and the person's departure and the arrival date. I will enter the date of the Sarah. The phone number is 5554. Is the user number. So I will get the information Chennai to Nepal, so 5 person and the 5 days we have traveled to start the date 32/5. Click the next. Next the information for this is food and hotel information. We have like the which type of hotels. So I like the normal hotels. So the hotel names we have specifying this via. So I will click the Taj hotel. So like the number of rooms, I give the 2 rooms. You need the food for Indian foods or non-veg or vegetarian. So I will click the non-vegetarian food. I like the non-vegetarian food. Then next we have the traveling mode. So the traveling mode of flight or train or bus. So I give the bus and the visiting mode for the travel area. The car, bus, 2-wheeler. I like the car. So the guide, you need the what type of guide you needed, the native guide or Indian guide. The guide is no. Next, the tour cost and the hotel cost and the transportation cost. 3 type of costs the user defined to the package. So all the user give the information, the package will be sent on the database. So the user registered the package status. The package status, clicking on the user, what are the user will be package creating, it will be generate that. So the Nepal user source on Chennai, it will be creating for the list. At least you have seen the details of the information. So next approved status, it's connecting to approvals the Delhi and Madurai. So it will be go over to approval status will be the Paracle travel. Current updation, the admin panel will be checking. So I click the admin panels, admin. So the admin panel will be clicking. Admin got all the list of the request of the user list. So I click the Nepal information. It will be giving the all the detailed information. So the total, I click the request information, peaceful for the cost, everything, the hotel, the travel agency peoples we have bringing to the approval status for this one. This status will needs nil. The detail will be updated for the databases. I request to the admin we have the transferring to the details. It will be separating tables we have using to filtering the options. So this is the admin we have got the everything panel. User got immediately. The Sarai user will be open again login. So checking the approved status, the approved status will be added. So the Nepal and the Chennai, you click the approved status, it will be the approving cost status, the approved cost details, needs any no nil, reason any nulls. Okay, this package will be available and will be approved the status. And then the travel agency guide will call to the travel agency, will be calling for the further details immediately. Finally, if you liked the feedback, you can forward to the feedback. You posting the goods, it will be generating to the feedback for the travel agency side. This application is very helpful for them. User customer package creation and the travels agencies. So agency we have identification to the expect of the client users with the one packages idea. Click the logout, it will be transferring for the everything. This is the travel package optimization using Android application.